Alam makende no obagi ne jokenya Nicolas Oyoo kod Bob Njagi mane olal go e piny mar Uganda dalapaga chiel bange dachgi kata umbgi poko winji e kinde ma familia kuro kwa jatend piny Kenya William Ruto mondo mi odonjre wachno kendo otudre kod jatend piny Uganda Yoweri Museveni kaka yoreso jokenya go. E kinde no jokenya Uganda obogo bago ng'anyo maratipo chakruok tich ang'wen nyaka jokenya go yudre.
Nothing is too difficult for God. That is what I know. And I know that the Bible also says that God is a father to the fatherless and is a defender of the widows. So I know that God is going to act on our behalf, but God uses human beings. And that is why we are asking you to pray. Pray for us.
One short call to the Ugandan president, just 1 minute, will bring the difference.
Can the president, the Minister for Foreign Affairs, Musalia Mudavadi, come out to aseme kama hawajui penye Bob Njagi yuko ama wanajua? Kama wanajua, watafanya nini? Kama hawajui, watuambie tufanye nini?
It's very difficult. Nicolas is somebody who drives me anywhere I want to go. He takes care of me. When I want medication, he's the one who always go to town to buy my medications. So it's not easy. If you see the table where sometimes he sits and do his work empty, you feel like what's happening.
We will not stop knocking doors of justice and demand for their immediate release. Justice delayed is justice denied. Justice denied is causing pain to the parents, brothers, sisters, sons, daughters, loved ones, and the whole nation.